of this bulletin. And tonight, Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua's allies can now breathe a sigh of relief after the High Court in Nairobi Friday issued temporary orders barring their arrest, detention and prosecution. This comes after Director of Prosecution DPP Renson Ingonga approved prosecution of the five for their alleged role in planning, mobilizing and financing June's youth-led anti-protest. And as senior political affairs reporter Daniel Kariuki reports, Gachagua could also have a relief after a case was filed in a Nyahururu court blocking his impending impeachment in Parliament.
Directorate of Criminal Investigations DCI approved charges against 5 allies of Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua, including MPs Benjamin Gadhiro of Embakasi Central, James Kakuya of Embakasi North, George Theuri of Embakasi West, former Nyeri Town MP Kojiri Wambogo, and Gachagua's private secretary Pius Munene. And Friday, DPP Renson Ingonga leveled against 5 people for their alleged role in planning, mobilizing and financing June's youth-led anti-government protest. But it is a blow to DPP as the High Court barred their arrest, detention and prosecution. Judge Lawrence Mugambi in his ruling said, and I quote, "Pending the hearing and determination of this application, the court hereby issued a conservatory order restraining the respondents from arresting, detaining and prosecuting them from the allegations raised in this petition. The respondents in this case, DCI, DPP, IG and the Attorney General."
Mumeshindwa kupeana development kwa wananchi, muna pesa ya kununua wanasiasa.
The petitioners have faulted the DPP, terming the charges as trumped charges. The petitioners say, and I quote, "It was the president who was on record addressing the public and informing Kenyans on investigations conducted regarding the financiers." The petitioners further said, "The communication of the president, whose word is binding on the final findings of the investigative authorities, vindicates us of any wrongdoing in the allegations." End of quote. The matter will be mentioned on 15th October 2024. Meanwhile, a case has been filed at the High Court in Nyahururu seeking orders to stop Parliament from discussing, debating or initiating any motion or process aimed at impeaching Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua. Dennis Ndereva, a youth activist from Laikipia County, says the impeachment process is unnecessary and the continued discussion and debate on the impeachment of the Deputy President will cause significant and irreparable harm to the office of the Deputy President, asserting that the impeachment motion does not meet the constitution threshold required under Article 150. Dennis is seeking the court's protection to ensure that any attempt to impeach the Deputy President complies strictly with the provisions of the Constitution. Daniel Kariuki, KTN News, Nairobi.
Now,